Yeah? It's not sherbet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorbet. The
Oh,
sherbet
okay.
is spelled like sherbet.
Oh, okay, I got you. Learn something new every day, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I think my favorite's gonna be the puppy chow.
That is really good.
Man, that's some good ice cream. Now let's try the pistachio, one of my personal faves. Strawberry sorbet. Oh my God, is that good? I knew I was gonna like this one. Let's try the Cookie Monster. Me want cookie. Man, it's so fresh. I couldn't leave without trying one of their specialty paletas. So make sure the next time you're